Well, well, if it isn't the most unapproachable piece of kitchen furniture in the forest.
I am not furniture. I am legacy.
Legacy, darling, should share its secrets. How about letting me peek inside?
Request denied.
Denied? But you don't even know what I want.
Doesn't matter. No one opens my door.
You must get so lonely standing here century after century, cold on the outside, and maybe warm and soft on the inside.
Your metaphors do not affect my hinges.
Oh, come now. I bet behind that door is something magical, a mystery that just aches to be seen.
My door remains closed to those who only desire what's inside.
Who said I desire it? Maybe I just want to see. You open up? You know, in the city, fridges practically fight for my attention. Listen, big guy. I know you're protecting something precious, and that's noble. But maybe I deserve to earn your trust.
Trust is not earned with words.
Then let my actions speak.
Then let my actions speak.
You are persistent.
It's called charm, darling. And it always works. Finally.
Charming menace.
Ooh.
And don't you forget it.